Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download the FNB app from your phone's app store, whether you're on Android or iOS. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your existing FNB online banking credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first through their website or in branch. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards section within the app's main menu. Look for an option that says Cards or Payment Methods. Tap on it to see your current cards and options to add new ones. This is where you'll find the virtual card feature. Step 3. Select the option to create a new virtual card. The app will show you different card types available. Choose the virtual card option and review the terms and conditions. Virtual cards are perfect for online shopping and temporary use. Step 4. Customize your virtual card settings by setting a spending limit and expiration date. You can choose how much money you want allocated to this card and when it should expire for security purposes. This gives you full control over your transactions. Step 5. Activate your new virtual card and start using it immediately for online purchases. The card details will appear on your screen instantly. You can use it on any website that accepts standard card payments without exposing your main account information.